So today guys, we are cooking kalabasa or butternut squash with chicken. If you have kalabasa at home, you may want to try this. So let's start by cooking our chicken. I'm using boneless chicken thighs and I just cut them into small pieces or bite size. So as you can see guys, I just put in my chicken and I don't have to use cooking oil at this time. So if we see our chicken become watery just like this, that's just fine. Let's keep on stirring it occasionally guys until the water evaporates. So we want our chicken to be fully cooked and a little brown in color. We just keep on stirring guys, and as you can see, there's the oil that comes from the chicken fats. So I don't need to add cooking oil. Now it's time to add our other ingredients. That's ginger, small dice, a dice of onions, and guys, let's add my favorite herb. This is dried basil. This will make it aromatic guys, and also it adds flavor to our food. This is minced garlic and I'm using it a lot. It tastes good guys. Let's add our black pepper and also a whole piece of Knorr chicken cube. Guys, this will help to enhance the chicken flavor. So we're just making sure that it's nicely melted and everything is nicely seasoned. So let's keep on stirring guys for a few minutes, and then let's season it with soy sauce. Just pour around it just like we always do. And now it's time to add our butternut squash. So let's just mix it nicely. Mix, mix, mix guys. And now let's add a cup of water. It's just to help to cook the butternut squash guys without burning it. So let's cover and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. It's enough guys. And we don't want to overcook our butternut squash. And wow, just like this guys, it's perfect. It's not overcooked guys, and it's looking delicious. And lastly guys, you want to finish it with a hint of sesame oil. And this is it guys, and I hope that you like this video. And thank you for watching. Until next time.